Hello, today I will teach you how to fix a broken or cracked Sinahi. So you need Krazy Glue and you need the Sinahi. So I'm lucky that it cracked, the Sinahi cracked this way and not in multiple pieces. If it's in multiple pieces, that'll be harder to fix. So I'm gonna have to pierce this Krazy Glue and then start applying it with this. So I'm gonna get my scissor and pierce it a little bit. Okay. A little bit actually came out. Not good. Put on the applicator, and I'm just gonna start putting it on. I'm gonna put it around the corners and edges, not the corners but more of the edges. Sorry, you couldn't see that good. But basically I went all around here, the corners and edges. Then I filled up the center. Okay, I'm basically out of Krazy Glue. So basically, just the corners and edges, you can't really see that. Then I'm gonna put the Sinahi back on. When you put the Sinahi back on, make sure it's not sliding. So it has to be perfect. Make sure it's laying flat. Seems good. Oh shoot. Make sure to take any extra Krazy Glue that's coming out of the sides or anything. Okay, so then I'm gonna take out all the extra Krazy Glue. Okay, so just make sure the Sinahi is in place and take out all the extra Krazy Glue. Okay, it looks good. Still got a little extra glue. That looks sort of okay. Now I'm gonna wait for it to dry. I'll give it like 10 minutes. Okay, so the Sinahi has dried. It looks like it's one piece again. It's not moving. Okay, so just make sure not to get any Krazy Glue on your fingers, because it's kind of tough. And when you're start gluing the sides, and then start making your way to the center, just like that. Thanks for watching.